Hello everybody, on today's video we have the GTR Racing gaming chair. Let's put it together and check it out. Okay, so this is the GTR Racing gaming chair. I'm just going to quickly go ahead and set this device up as fast as I can. I did leave one small part out. I forgot to film that. I'm sorry about that. But this chair is very easily assembled, which is very nice. It doesn't take much time at all to assemble, even though there's a decent amount of parts that you put in. It's very easy to install. Everything's clear. The instructions are very nice as well, and I appreciate that. I went ahead and went with a white version. This will be for my daughter, who is a nice Fortnite gamer, so she wanted a gaming chair for her birthday, and I decided to pick this one up. So far everything looks of great quality. Even look at the instruction manual is in color, which is very, very nice. And like I said, everything was very easy to install. You just start with the legs here, and it comes with all the screws and tools you'll need, and you just take your time and go through and tighten all those up. Then you'll install the wheels just like so. Very fast, very easy. Clip them on, no problem. Just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and install the stand. This is just for where the seat is going to go on. And I moved rooms and went ahead and just threw the seat right on there. Then you're going to want to tighten these up in the back and attach the seat, and then tighten up these two ones as well. You can see this thing is coming together really nicely, and then you just go ahead and put the back plate on, and then the little side arm holders, your little armrest there, 2 screws for those. And I got to tell you, the quality of this chair feels really, really good. And the part I didn't show, which was on the base of the chair, was installing the footrest. That's the part that I forgot. And then once you're done, you're going to put these little inserts in, just like there. There's 4 of them, just to make sure everything's nice and flush. Then you put the little seat padding on the back, and one for the top, for the neck. And just like that, you have the GTR Racing gaming chair. It feels very good to the touch. Sits very, very well. Daughter loved it. It is amazing. And I'll also pull out the footrest here in a second, so you can kind of look at how that is as well. But I got to tell you, nice quality, good looking chair, great design, feels good, and I got to tell you, the footrest is great. So you can just slide out that unit there in the front and rest your legs if you would like. Here, we'll pull out the leg rest here and show you how that is there. Very nice, good looking chair. Thank you guys for watching.